with me, I've had 3 breakdowns back to back. I mean, it's been bad, but I learned a lot from it. You know what I mean? With you guys' help, because other companies, they won't help like that. And if they do, when they help and you get back to work, you don't make no money. They're going to get their money back. And, here at Cloud, I borrowed a pretty good substantial amount of money, but I still was able to bring home money, so I can eat and everything, you know what I mean? And I really appreciate them for that. As far as preventive maintenance with everything else, I check my air pressure on my tires almost at least, I ain't going to say every day, but I do it at least 4 or 5 times a week, because especially with it being cold right now, you know what I mean? Because the air pressure in those tires are major. I check my oil daily. I basically do an extensive pre-trip every day, because that's something that I've had a couple issues where I didn't catch something when I did my pre-trip. I had a little small hole in my airline, and I didn't catch it when I did my pre-trip, and I made a turn into somewhere, and it popped. It was loud too. So, that's a major issue with us. We have to, stay on top of our preventative maintenance. That'll keep us out on the road a lot longer, you know what I mean?